Hi, hello guys, hello everyone. It's been a long time since I'm not doing a review of my experience about a product. So disclaimer lang, so I'm just telling you and I will share to you my experience about using Dr. Rochelle Co and Rice Exfoliating Gel and its skin polish, cleansing, firming, skin elasticity. So I'm using this with my vitamin C day cream and vitamin C night cream. So pinapartneran ko po yung vitamin C night cream ng aking Dr. Rochelle Vitamin C Soothing Gel 99%. Most especially kapag mainit. So I'm using this every time I will wash my face. Pero napakaganda po nito. Nag-exfoliate po talaga siya at nagpipiling ang skin mo. So this one, it has ingredients. This one. Okay, so I will not tell all the ingredients here. So this is collagen and rice exfoliating gel. So nag-exfoliate po talaga. And ang maganda po dito, you don't need to wet your face. Maglalagay lang po kayo sa palm nyo ng kaunti. Then scrub nyo lang po on your face. Then makikita nyo po nagpipil yung skin. So, description. Gently exfoliate dead skin cells with collagen and rice exfoliating gel. This intensive exfoliating gel helps in soothing your sensitive skin with collagen and rice extract that is packed with antioxidants to neutralize free radicals along with various types of vitamins to increase essential collagen and elastin. Yes, so it helps to brightening your skin as well. But at first, it will feel. So, may experience nyo po dito yung nagpipil talaga yung skin nyo at first. Pero syempre, para maiwasan yan, try nyo pong gumamit ng vitamin C day cream. Okay? So, ang ating vitamin C, I think this is not the perfect cleanser for my vitamin C day cream and night. But I choose this, Dr. Rochelle, because I've seen it has co and rice ingredients exfoliating gel. So I never been tried this vitamin C facial cleanser as well. So ito pa lang po yung natatry ko. So in overall result po naman ay maganda po. Maganda naman po siya. Actually, kalahati pa siya yung mga cream ko. Minsan nga, nalilimutan ko pang mag vitamin C night cream. So, ang nilalagay ko lang minsan ay Dr. Rochelle Vitamin C. So, our Dr. Rochelle Vitamin C Brightening and Anti-Aging Soothing Gel 99%. Hindi lang po ito pang mukha, not only for just the face. Also, you can put on your body. So it's replenish moisture for body. And as a moisturizing mask, as I've said before, I'm putting Dr. Rochelle Soothing Gel after I put my vitamin C night cream. Okay, so this is a short review about my experience of Dr. Rochelle Co and Rice Exfoliating Gel. Actually, this is not my first time using Dr. Rochelle. I've used way back before 2021. 2021 if I'm not mistaken. I've used one set of Dr. Rochelle 24K Gold. So my experience of that, it's really nice also. That's why na-push po ako na bumili nito again. So this is my experience of Dr. Rochelle Vitamin C Soothing Gel. So I'm just sharing my experience, guys. So if you want to try, you can try it also. And maganda po yung cream niya, yung vitamin C day cream. It's like you have already foundation after you apply it. Okay? And it's also non-greasy. Napakaganda po sa balat. And vitamin C cream, night cream, napakaganda rin po every night. Then papatungan nyo po ng soothing gel 99%. So morning, when you wake up, use your Ko and Rice exfoliating gel as a facial cleanser. After vitamin C day cream, then night, wash again with Ko and Rice exfoliating gel, then a night cream, vitamin C. After that, vitamin C, brightening and anti-aging soothing gel 99%. So it leaves skin bright, reduced dark spots, well-nourished and youthful. So that's all for today. That's my review for Dr. Rochelle. So it's still worth it this year, 2025. Bye, guys.